Hello students. Next reaction is Cannizzaro reaction. In this reaction, when aldehyde having no alpha hydrogen is treated with concentrated solution of potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide and formation of alcohol and salt of carboxylic acid takes place. Means reactant in this reaction are aldehyde and concentrated solution of potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide, and product forms are salt of carboxylic acid as well as alcohol. Then this reaction is known as Cannizzaro reaction. This reaction is self-oxidation and reduction reaction. Means in this case oxidation as well as reduction both takes place. Let us see how it is possible. But condition is just opposite in this case. Instead of aldol condensation. In aldol condensation, one reactant should be like that it should contain alpha hydrogen. But in case of Cannizzaro, we have to take all those aldehyde which does not contain alpha hydrogen, like formaldehyde, benzaldehyde, which does not contain alpha hydrogen. So let us see the reaction. Here, two molecules of formaldehyde plus NaOH gives you methanol as well as sodium formate, I mean HCOONA. Methanol is a reduced product from the aldehyde and salt of carboxylic acid is a oxidized product. That's why this reaction is self-oxidation and reduction reaction. Similarly, when two molecules of benzaldehyde reacted with NaOH, sodium benzoate C6H5COONA is formed, means oxidized product, and benzyl alcohol C6H5CH2OH is formed here. Let us see the mechanism of the reaction. In the case of mechanism, NaOH breaks into Na positive plus OH negative, and then OH negative will attack on the carbonyl carbon of benzaldehyde. If we take two molecules of benzaldehyde here, then OH negative attacks on the carbonyl carbon and bond is shifted to the oxygen. Further, this type of complete species is formed here. Then this type of species is taken and negative charge transferred to the back to the oxygen to form the double bond, and this hydrogen with the bond attacks on the next carbonyl carbon of the benzaldehyde and bond is shifted to there. Here is carboxylic acid is formed and here is C6H5CH2O negative is formed. This O negative accept the hydrogen from the carboxylic acid and carboxylate ion is formed here and benzyl alcohol is formed. This carboxylate ion takes the sodium ion from the NaOH and sodium benzoate is formed here. Thank you.